Hiya, let's fix a black PS2 controller from CX. I bought this controller for £15 and it didn't work, unfortunately, because when I went to take back a PS1 controller, similar to that one but it was older, it didn't work unfortunately, and I just didn't know how to fix it. I couldn't trace the fault, which is bad, but I know what the fault with this one is. I've got the part already. The problem with this is that the traces on this have worn away. I tried the pencil trick, but the pencil trick didn't work. Because you're kind of rebonding the tracks, which I don't think it has, but you can have a close-up view of it here. No, but it's basically dead. So I've bought a new part from Lapse. These have helped me many times in my PS3 BC where I needed to change the battery in it. Fantastic company, and the ribbon cable for my Slim that I did off camera recently. So it just needed a firmware repaste and it's quite boring. You've seen it with my other PS3 Fat BC, you've seen it. So I know I should have took it back, but I didn't because I knew I could get a replacement part for it. So let's get into the fix and I'll show you what I've done to repair it. So we're going to test if it's working. So this replacement part from Lapse. So all you do is short one of those pads together with your probes, and then on the multimeter screen, I'm trying to show you here. See where I'm pointing, it says OL on it. That you're reading that, and it means open. And I'm looking for, see the way that changed? It's finding like where the button's pressed, so that means it's working. See the way it's coming up 0.75 ohms or whatever. I don't really know what they mostly mean, but I know that's it working. So I want anybody to be able to fix it, so that's good. And if there's any shorts with this, you can hear it beep. So that's pretty much it working. So I'm gonna do a time lapse now where we're gonna put it all completely back together and clean it up and get the buttons to work, and it'll be great. controller turned out very nice, so it looks lovely too. I'll probably do a bit needed better cleaning after on camera, but we'll see if it works. So I'm gonna plug it in now. The PS2, so we're in pad test software that will help us test to see if it will work. So X button, great, it works. Triangle, works. Circle, works. Triangle, works. See, they all work. Start, yeah. Select, works, they both work. Like up, down, right, left. Trigger, first trigger gets to the proper percentage. Probably just needs to be broken a bit. Hold on, one of my I knew this will happen. I'll have to fidget with that. I finally got the triggers to work. Look, going straight. But unfortunately, these still don't really go to 100. But that's fine. No, not gonna get it perfect like 255. I can't get it there. Unfortunately. Maybe a bit worn in. Look, I got that one. But close. All the face buttons work. Look at that. They all work like brand new. Start to select. All the axes. Well, some of them do jitter or not, that's just normal. And then rumble. Yeah, that's it. That's the appearance of it. Herb from the future here. So what happened to this controller was, after I make the video like a couple months after, set the controller down and then the wire popped out for the rumble motor inside the controller, and I was wondering what happened because I was playing GTA San Andreas and I was moving about, and then when I hit the curb it wasn't vibrating like it normally does. I was like, oh dear, there must be something wrong inside, because I tried it on the pad test but it was working. So when I looked in, the big rumble motor's wire was disconnected, so I soldered that back on, but whenever I soldered it back on I knocked off the resistor, so now it rumbles. Near takes your hand off when it rumbles now. So yeah, so you can see here it still rumbles. So yeah, but it's even more tough on your hands. So yeah. So guys, I'll see you in the next Let's Fix video. Remember to like and subscribe because it really helps me out. See you in the next one. See ya!